Ms. Bhattacharya has come. Welcome, ma'am. Welcome so much. तालियों से हमारे चीफ गेस्ट का स्वागत कीजिए। Welcome, ma'am. Once again, for our annual day celebration 2016-17, today's theme is grandparents. I would just introduce my class, the guiding principles and the way of learning at Sonali's Academy. Regular classes from LKG to Standard 10. Unique way of teaching, limited seats in every batch, personal attention, discipline, punctuality, honesty, positive attitude, courage, obedience, leadership, education in a playful way, innovative and effective methods to improve the child's learning ability. I started this class 19 years back. And there was some vision. The vision is to make our children knowledge creators and not knowledge consumers. For our children to become future leaders in global competitive environment, they need to learn to use their logic, imagination, visualization to become masters in the field they choose to pursue. Our mission is to prove that every child is born genius himself. Our activity conducted drawing, craft, speech, stage daring, leadership, writing, poems, essay, dance, based out of waste, regular competitions and test series. Here are some photographs of drawing, craft, speech competition, Dahi Handi celebration, test series conducted in the class, dance, annual day function 2015-16, conduct monthly meeting with parents. Outdoor activities and outdoor studies. Outdoor studies this year to Savarkar Udyan. Thanks to Mrs. Aparna Misal. We even celebrate festivals in a traditional way. Guru Purnima, Janmashtami, Dahi Handi, Dasera. We do birthday celebrations of staff as well as children's. Nirmala Miss, Chadda Aunty, Rohit Sir. We even conduct picnic and other adventurous activities and entertainment. This year to Bhima Shankar. Dabba party, annual function and prize distribution ceremony. Last year student of the year Rutuja Bhosle. Group winner Apple. We have 100% results every year since 1998. This year we have a very special achievement. Rutuja Bhosle scored 90.20% in a board examination. This was her first year for standard 10 and she scored 90.20%. Proud of you, Rutuja. Greatest achievements of our passed out students, that is ex-students of a class. Today you must have heard from Rohit. He is my student. Rohit Karwar, he is also the school principal, Mose High School in Bhosri. Monica Bhandari, she is a dentist, and many more. Proud of you, Rohit sir.
It's just because of you, man. Thank you very much.
Management and staff, myself, Mr. Rohit Karwar, Mrs. Manjusha Joshi, Mrs. Nirmala Ben, and Srimati Deepavati Mapuskar. I want all my staff members on the stage. I'd just like to introduce my staff. Chadda aunty, round of applause. Good one. Thank you, आई.
या प्रसंगी एक आपल्या सगळ्यांतर्फे एक इच्छा प्रकट करून टाकतो. ती देवाचरणी प्रार्थना पाठवतोय, ती लवकरात लवकर स्वीकारो. आज आपण आता 2 प्रिन्सिपल इथे, मी शाळेचा एक सर आहे तिथे, बाकीचे आहेत. हे जे फंक्शन आहे हे एका शाळेच्या लेवललाच चाललेलं आहे. शाळेचं एक फंक्शन कसं असतं त्या लेवलने तेवढ्याच अरेंजमेंट, तेवढीच ॲक्युरेटता ऑर्गनाईजमध्ये आता केलेली आहे. तर अशी सगळ्यांना रिक्वेस्ट आहे की आपण आज सगळ्यांनी मिळून एक सदिच्छा करावी की सोनालीचे जे क्लासेस आहेत हे याचं लवकरात लवकर शाळेमध्ये रूपांतर व्हावं. आणि शाळेमध्ये रूपांतर झालं तर आपल्याला खरंच आनंद वाटेल. आणि आपण सगळ्यांनी देवाचरणी प्रार्थना करूया आणि हातभार लावायला प्रयत्न करूया की तिने असं या क्लासचं रूपांतर शाळेमध्ये करावं. म्हणजे आम्हाला खरोखर आमचं भाग्य असं समजलं जाईल. धन्यवाद.
Brought really the life in this annual day function. Please, once again, round of applause for Mrs. Chadda. Mr. and Mrs. Sakwe, even they are with us right from the beginning of our class. Please give them a clap. Mr. and Mrs. Sakwe, please come on the stage. Manohar Sabagruha, Mr. Shankar Kadhor, Survi Tours and Travels. They organize traveling for our kids during the picnic times and always ready for helping us.
Huge round of applause for them also. All the credit of video shooting and photographs goes to them. They are always having a helping hand for us. Thank you very much.
Ex-students, Sanket Sakwe, Anchal Bansal, Rutuja Bhosle, Rishikesh Bhosle, Rutuja Kharade, Suyo Kothare, Sanjana Singh and Suchita Shinde. Special thanks to Ullas Mapuskar and Associates. Every year we introduce something new. This year it was time for sports. We conducted sports activities this year. Slow cycling, lemon and spoon. We invite your suggestion and ideas in writing to explore more. and our journey continues. Thanks. Stay back and enjoy the entertainment from our little ones.